If you are someone who love to style your outfit in different way, കുറച്ച് must have items would add that you can create a countless number of outfits from your existing wardrobe. Today we are discussing must have wardrobe essentials for every girls. So welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Safida. You're watching Miss Modest Style. If you are into modest fashion lifestyle, you are in the right place. So keep watching. Let's get into the video. So ഈ വീഡിയോനെ 4 പോർഷൻ ആയിട്ടാണ് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്തിട്ടുള്ളത്. ടോപ്സ്, ബോട്ടംസ്, layering pieces and accessories. Moving to the top, the first essential piece is a white shirt. It is a neutral base piece. Goes with literally everything in your wardrobe. For cotton or a linen fabric, avoid choosing tight and see-through material. We can style a white shirt or white t-shirt as basically with the jeans, skirts and trousers. We can also create some elevated look like this under a blazer, a corset, denim jacket, and even with a scarf also a white shirt looks so much elevated. Second item is high neck tank top. It's perfect for layering and modest coverage. While choosing fabric, go with the ripped knife. Always choose neutral colors that goes with all the items in your wardrobe like white, black, beige, even stripes also nice. If choosing a full sleeve and high neck tank top തന്നെ choose ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുക so that it get more coverage. We can style a high neck tank top with abayas, with the skirt and with the blazers. Moving to the bottom section, let's talk about the most obvious piece, denims. I know നിങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെ കയ്യിലും definitely have at least one denims. I don't need to explain much more about it. Only I will say that avoid skinny jeans that outdated, and don't go for more ripped jeans that's not so modesty, and don't give a polished look, and invest in a good quality one. Most importantly, it should be according to your body shape and your exact fit. So the next item is trousers. For a modest girl, trousers are total game changer. Class and comfort look, can always go for flowy straight cut trousers. You should avoid clingy material, bodily kotti nikkunna type of materials avoid here. It doesn't give an elegant look. Think about the colors, you can go for neutrals like navy, white, black, beige. They are always versatile. And you can pair it up with shirts, night tops or jackets. Literally everything go with trousers. Let's move to the skirts. If you are someone not styled skirts yet, you are missing out, girl. They are multi-purpose, more feminine and brings a fresh look to your wardrobe. I know many girls don't feel more comfortable in pants, but the truth is you can create the same look with the skirts. That's why I believe every girl should have at least one skirt in her wardrobe. For the must-have skirts in your wardrobe, first one is A-line skirts. നമുക്ക് casual ആയിട്ടും formal ആയിട്ടും ഒരുപോലെ സ്റ്റൈൽ ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റുന്ന ഒരു പീസാണ് A-line skirts. Avoid clingy material and always go for a modest length. You can pair it with tank top, shirts, jackets to get an effortlessly polished look. Next one is pleated skirts. It gives flowy and elegance together. Lightweight ആയിട്ടുള്ള chiffon or satin material choose ചെയ്യുകയാണെങ്കിൽ it never go outdated. ഇതിന്റെ പ്രത്യേകത നമുക്ക് ഫോമൽ ആയിട്ടും കാഷ്വൽ ആയിട്ടും സ്റ്റൈൽ ചെയ്യാന്നുള്ളതാണ്. Even it styled with a shirt or blazer, it gives more feminine, classy vibe. If you want to add more skirt in your wardrobe, go with a denim skirt. It's also a better option. Next section is layering pieces. These are the items that instantly change the entire look of your outfit. You can layer up an outfit with a denim jacket, kimonos, cardigans, even with abayas. Lightweight and flowy kimonos always make your look soft and feminine. Denim jackets give youthful, casual look that perfectly over skirts, shirts, or even dresses. It adds a structure and a relaxed vibe at the same time. And abayas, a button-up abaya is must have for a modest wardrobe. Perfect over denims, skirts, trousers. It gives a more polished look effortlessly. Moving to the accessory section, a wardrobe complete oven definitely we need. Accessories include footwear, bags, hijabs, jewelries. So footwear, all you need is a neutral flat for everyday comfort. Classic mule is must have for casual as well as semi-formal looks, and a white sneakers for a sporty look. Moving to the bags, all you need is a tote bag for casual college work look, crossbody bag for a hand-free look. No more modest wardrobe is completed without hijabs. All you need is some neutral color hijabs that goes with all the items in your wardrobe, like black, white, beige, grays, and browns. Choose breathable fabric like cotton, jersey, chiffon. Depends on your style and comfort. That's all about the video. Most of the items നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്ത് നിങ്ങളുടെ wardrobe ഉണ്ടായിരിക്കും. And if something is missing, add it. If you are enjoyed, like, share, subscribe, comment your thoughts, and see you with the next video. Till then, bye.